if you're planning to visit Canada, please make sure to visit Quebec City as well. This has been one of the great experiences of living in Canada for the last 3 years by just looking at the art and architecture of a former French colony known as Quebec. What's beautiful about it is that it's a city filled with art. It's a city with a lot of history behind it, and it's a city that's divided into Old Quebec, New Quebec, and then there's an industrial Quebec. So again, we didn't enjoy our time. One of the main highlights is Fairmont Hotel that will be covered in a separate video. But for now, let's go walk into Quebec City and explore how the new and old Quebec City is and why so many million of people flock in every year to check it out. So let's get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy it.
City up the other hill, far there.
Oh, okay, got it, got it.
Yeah. Do I drop you at the entry of the castle or
Yeah.
at the front?
Let's check out the old city, Quebec.
Today you can see them at the end of the street over there, but back then, since your big city was small, much smaller, it was here. As the
Per ritornare su ci sono delle scale o il funicolare che costa $5 in denaro.
Donc si on va par là, c'est sur la droite.
What is it?
Yeah, here it's Taschereau.
Shouldn't stop in the middle of the road. Well,